My name's Peter Wishart for Facelift for Homes. We're a one-stop shop for all your window and door replacement needs and retractable fly screens. Our showroom's located at Showroom 58 at 148 Chesterville Road in Cheltenham. We service our clients from the south of Melbourne all the way through to the southeast and all the way down the Mornington Peninsula. The main services Facelift for Home provide is window and door replacements, and one of our main products that we do are bifold doors, as you can see here. So we've developed a system called the RetractAscreens system, and the screen rolls out of the wall basically. But you will notice with this screen here, it's actually got very, very light lines in it. We call it our Invisi-Stripe mesh, because it just means that you won't walk through the actual screen itself. We're a one-stop shop for doing all window and door replacements and structural alterations. So if you do require a small opening to go to a larger opening, we can provide the builders, the tradesmen, the carpenters, the permit, the building surveyors, the whole lot, to take care of the job from start to finish without any hassles. Coming into the winter, things are getting very, very cold, so you might notice your windows, if you put your hand up against your window, you'll feel the actual cold coming through. With your windows and doors, they're literally holes in the outside of your walls that is actually bleeding money out of your pocket. So if you can actually put double glazed windows in your home, it forms that barrier, so you'll save a lot of money on heating and cooling costs. The reason I sponsored Hastings Football Netball Club is because my son Daniel Wishart, or Woosh as you know him, played for Hastings for a number of years, so I'd like to give a little bit back to a sensational club in Hastings. If you're looking at replacing your windows, whether your windows are rotted or you just want brand new windows to give your house a facelift, you can give us a call whenever you like, and we're quite happy to come out to see you at a time that's convenient for you.